A deepening power struggle within ZANU-PF is spewed into the security establishment after the permanent secretary in the office of the President in the Cabinet (OPC) and the Central Intelligence Organization CIO Director General Tafadzo Muguti disclosed that he is receiving death threats from a powerful faction aligned to President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Sarabida mashikubdanyi kwa chinzi Zvigananda clash with the CIO. It was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipita mnamobdanyi kwa mchinzi. The threats reviewed in a leaked audio recording obtained by Zim underscore an intensifying clash between state officials enforcing cabinet policy and politically connected elites accused of looting national resources under the banner of proximity to power. In the recording, Muguti delivers a blistering warning to individuals he accuses of abusing influence to plunder riverbed and alluvial mining resources while attempting to intimidate him for implementing cabinet and presidential directives. In quotes, "I don't like being threatened," Muguti says. "I am a civil servant. You've been down this road before. Don't ever threaten me. And if you aim for me, you better not miss." Muguti, who coordinates provincial administrations and advises the Presidium through OPC, insists his actions are grounded in cabinet authority and interministerial processes, not factional interests within ZANU-PF. "My job is coordinating my provinces. My job is making sure provincial economies work. My job is also advising the Presidium through the office of the President and Cabinet," he says. He repeatedly references cabinet decisions taken in 2024 to halt riverbed and alluvial mining due to environmental destruction and widespread abuse by politically connected contractors. Cabinet made a directive: could riverbed mining yabanwa. Alluvial mining was banned because it was very badly rehabilitated, Muguti says, adding that formal letters were circulated at all provincial offices and devolution structures, reaffirming the standing instruments. "I've written all sectors of the provincial offices, simply reminding them of cabinet and attaching the instrument," rejecting claims that he is acting unilaterally. Muguti is emphatic. "This is not about proof. This is government business. If it was party business, it would go through the party. I represent the office of the President and Cabinet." Muguti suggests the threats are emanating from members of a powerful Mnangagwa-aligned network, commonly referred to as Zvigananda, an elite accumulation bloc accused by critics of capturing state institutions to access mining, fuel, agriculture and infrastructure contracts. Ndoma developments ezviri kuitika muZANU-PF. Mina comment section medu zvafunguro enyu muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat out the bell icon.